guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? So for today, yesterday I explained a bit on the ideal trend direction, on the ideal trend movement you should trade with by using the parabolic and SMA crossover. So for today, I just want to get more in depth on this topic and just show you a few more example on what is the ideal market condition for you to trade with. So I'll be using the same indicators. So first let's set up the technical indicators on our chart. So okay, so go to technical indicator. Yep, just click on that there. Yep, technical indicator. Okay, alright, so the first indicator we're gonna use is the simple moving average. So put a tick on simple moving average. Okay, so open the drop down for simple moving average. Yep, click on it, and then now we just need to make sure all the SMAs are all selected, all the simple moving average are selected, and then we'll go to the parameter. So again, for parameter we are using a 7, 13, and 200 parameter. So again, SMA1 is 7, SMA2 is 13, and SMA3 is 200. So after we get that down, we'll move on to the parabolic. We put a tick on parabolic there. Okay, so we open the drop down for parabolic as well to change the parameter setting. Okay, so for step we are using 0.05, and for max we are using 0.1. So again, 0.05 and 0.1. So okay, we get the indicators down, and then we close the technical indicators window. Okay, yep, close that. Okay, so the last thing we need to check is the chart period and option period. So today, again, I'll be using a 10 seconds chart period and trading with a 30 seconds option periods. So yeah, this now we are looking at a good example of a good trend, good market condition here. So you see now the simple moving average, the yellow one, is below the candlestick and is heading upward, and then the overall direction of the candlestick is actually heading upward as well. So these two information matches, and then that's why I choose this currency pairs to trade with, because the trend is confirmed and it's looking good. So now you see on the parabolic the red dot has changed to a blue dot, and then that's a bullish indication for me. So what I'm waiting for is just for the blue and red simple moving average to cross over and then give me a bullish signal as well, which is now. Okay, so now the two simple moving average, the blue and red one crossover, and then after the crossover, the blue one goes above the red one, and that is the bullish indication that I have been waiting for. And now, yep, okay, so just a few more seconds and the trade is gonna be finished. And right after I place that trade, the price just shoots up, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this one. So I'm just gonna browse a little bit more here, and then just to show you a few more example of what is a good trend, what is a good market condition for you to trade with. Okay, so yeah, this one we are looking at here is really similar to the one just now. So you see the price, this yellow simple moving average is heading upward, and then if we look at the candlestick, even though at this part there, at the previous movement there, it goes down, it was going down, but then at the most recent movement there, it's actually bouncing back up, and that indicates that the uptrend is continuing. So that's why I choose this currency pairs to trade with. Okay, so zoom in a little bit, and then now I'm just waiting for the parabolic to give me a bullish indication, which I need this red dot to change to a blue dot, and there we go, it changes. And the next thing we're waiting here is the simple moving average, the blue and red simple moving average. So if they cross over and the blue one goes above the red one, and then I have two bullish indication there from the parabolic and the simple moving average, and then from there I can open my trade. So it's almost there. Yep, crossover, I place my trade. So again, this strategy is a trend following strategy. The most important part for you is to identify the trend direction, so whether it's in an uptrend or in a downtrend. And then if it is in a range market, you do not use this strategy for range market trading. You will switch to another strategy, perhaps the Bollinger Bands and MACD to trade with the range market. So yeah, the point here is for you to use the right strategy to trade with the right market conditions. So well, okay, so the trade just now was finished, and then I will browse a little bit here. So well, you see the trade just now was actually ended in loss. So and when I placed that trade, everything was looking okay, but then at the last second before the option expired, it just drops down below my entry price. So that happens, and then that actually you can't avoid that, because that happens for every traders. Even though you are a professional, it happens. So what you can do is just to get over it, and then just to make a few more trades and try to cover up your loss. So well, okay, so well, just browse a little bit here, and then I will make a few more trades and try to cover my loss just now. Okay, so now there we go, and I confirm that it's an uptrend, and then the red dot changed to blue dot, and then there's two simple moving average crossover. The blue line is above the red line. So now that comes to another question. If I can open position in the middle of the price of the development of the price. So for example, if I can open a high option before or after the simple moving average crossover. So the answer is that no, you cannot, because there are a lot of uncertainty in between the development. So the best timing for you to open position is right after the parabolic changes color, and then the simple moving average crossover, and that is the right timing, the right moment for you to strike for profits. So okay, so we do have another uptrend here, and yep, there we go. We have a blue dot coming up, and then all I'm waiting for is a the simple moving average crossover. So well, I'm still gonna take a little bit time here. So okay, so well, it's almost there, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna cross over soon. And yep, there we go, it crossed over, and I opened a high option here. So well, again, this strategy is good to filter out false signal, but then sometimes you just can't avoid getting tricked by false signal like what I did just now. So the problem is not about the strategy, it's just that the strategy is helping you to filter out most of the false signal, but then it cannot be terminated 100%. So just get over it and try to make a few more trades and then cover up your loss. So well, the trade is finished, and let's take a look at the history. So well, I make 4 trades today, and 3 of them were ended in profit and 1 was lost. So well, I still got over $100 profit today, so which is not bad. So that's it for today. And well, if you do have any question on this strategy, or what is the ideal trend movement that you should trade with, just leave me a comment down there, and then I will get back to you as soon as possible. So well, I will see you soon again next week. So if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again next week. Bye.